I know I get a bit flustered when things don't go quite right, but I try to carry on so that pupils can continue learning. I want my enthusiasm for the subject to transmit to the children. I think that if you stay enthusiastic and manage to keep up a good pace, behaviour shouldn't be an issue. You can't keep a class working together unless everybody has the big picture, even if this means sometimes going back over things just for one person. It's always useful revision for the others.
Okay, 8PT, we're going to start today by visualising some two-dimensional shapes.
Sorry, miss, just a second.
Oh, come on, I've given you plenty of time. Copy it from whoever's next to you. Right. Now, you'll have seen from the lesson objectives that we're carrying on from the work that we did last week, and I think we made a good stab at it, so let's hope that some of what we learned has stuck. Now, on the board now are some of the key words that I'm going to be using in today's lesson. Yes, Jason?
It's upside down, miss.
What? Oh, so it is. Well spotted, Jason. There. Now, I'll be introducing some of these words in a moment, but first, perhaps we should remind ourselves of exactly what we were doing last week. Well done, Tom.
I'm supposed to hand in our homework.
And I think I explained. I'll deal with homework later on. Now, anyone? Yes, Kirsty?
Miss went ill last week. I had flu.
Oh, no, of course you won't. Well, let's see if we can help her catch up, yes? Perhaps it would be better if I started us off, okay? Now, oh, I'll just switch this off for a moment. Now, we said, didn't we, that the angles of a triangle add up to... No, that's making it a bit complicated. Hang on. Now, if all the sides are equal, then this angle must be... What do you think, Kirsty?
Is it acute, miss?
Yes, all the angles are acute, but that wasn't quite the answer I was looking for. I know. Why don't you all write down what size you think this angle is on your whiteboards?
I haven't got a whiteboard, miss.
Why is it always you? You just use a bit of common sense instead of wasting everyone's time unnecessarily.
Sorry, miss, but the rest of us haven't got whiteboards either.
Oh, my goodness. Someone, you, DJ and Luke, pass them round, please. Quick as you can.
Miss doesn't have any control over the class. She asks us to be quiet, but doesn't really seem to mind if we carry on talking. So sometimes we chat, and sometimes we just listen. Miss also doesn't really seem to know what she's doing. I think she'd be lost if she didn't have us to remind her.
What can I do? They just don't seem to be getting it. So many questions that aren't related to the maths. There is so much to think about.